Actually, nasa audience ako nun eh. Sobrang hirap kasi alam ko na tinatanong ko rin sa sarili ko paano mananalo yung team. Pero somehow, I would say na guided yung team. And somehow they made a way to win. So nakakaba, sobrang nakakaba. Pero nung nanalo sila, napasigaw ako dun sa backstage.
Usually trying to jump in, Baby Knight just comes in, drops the hammer down, Sanders into Clips, brings Sand King out of it, they get the lasso, they found Jug as well. Jug has buyback, immediately uses it. TNC are back in the fight.
Siyempre lahat, siguro naman kahit sino kinakabahan pag ganun na. Pero hanggang hindi kasi nababasag yung tower namin, hindi pa rin kami nag-give up. So yun siguro yung lahat, tapos lahat kami gumagawa rin ng paraan para manalo.
Kasi alam pa rin namin na kaya pa rin talagang manalo. Kasi nga dun sa may mga ginagawa kami na napapasunod namin yung kalaban, ganun. Kaya, pero yung nangyari nga na clutch yung dun sa baba, yung napa-use si Coco na 5 HP, then napindot niya yung cheese, dun nagsimula talaga yung comeback.
Make a play on the Queen of Pain.
No
blade mail up.
Can he get himself out of this one? 1 second to blade mail. He's going to do it. He's used himself. Watch the blade mail in action. Hang on. He's just full health, Ben. Trying to chase. Blink forward from Tim's. They'll get the burrow strike onto Baby Knight. Baby Knight, he's out and down. 110 seconds. No OD for the side of Cloud9.
Oh my god, that cheese pop was insane by Cuckoo.
Ang moment na yun, focus pa rin ako nun eh. Parang kung ano yung pinaka-the best na gawin, yun yung nasa isip ko. Kasi nasabi ko sa ampi ko, yung mga naisip ko na galaw-galaw.
Used it, TNC. They're heading onto the Ancient. Can they do anything to stop this? There's a disruption. They're just focusing priorities, trying to go for the finish here. Can Ace do enough damage to push him off? It doesn't look like he can. TNC, they're hitting the Ancient. It's going down, and TNC have done it. They are your champions. $800,000 for TNC Pro Team. Look at that on the screen. They can't quite believe it.
Overwhelming siguro yung feeling. Basta parang, alam mo yung parang first time mo siyang na-experience. Tapos sobrang saya. Ganun.
Just making the superior calls, the superior plays. $800,000. Wow, Ben, they must feel. This has got to be easily the highlight for all of their Dota careers.
Yung siguro yung mga friends at family ko, sobrang saya kasi 40 million, nakakuha kami 40. Parang lahat sila tonto. Shoutout sa lahat ng fans ng TNC dahil para sa inyo to. Yan, salamat.
Keep supporting, tapos yun nga, God bless everyone.